hands on your thighs, palms facing up. Don't let your hands leave your thighs. Bend over backward, look up, and come back. Rolling, look down, and come back. Tilt to the right, and come back. Tilt to the left, and come back. Twist to the right, and come back. Twist to the left, and come back. Walk on your hips, forward, backward, backward. Raise your shoulders and let go. Shake your back. Thumbs up, twist your wrist, now swing your thumb to the back. Shake your hand, bring them up, and bring them down. Cover on your knees, bring them towards you, and bring your heels down, down. Shake your knees sideways. Push your right knee, bring it up, and shake vertically. Kick and shake. Hold your left knee, bring it up, and shake vertically. Kick and shake. Bend over backwards, look up, and come back. Rolling, look down, and come back. Tilt to the right, and come back. Tilt to the left, and come back. Twist to the right, and come back. Twist to the left, and come back. Walk on your hips, forward, backward, backward. Raise your shoulders and let go. Shake your back. Thumbs up, twist your wrist. Now swing your thumb to the back. Shake your hand, bring them up, and bring them down. We made it!